The exterior of the Electrified GV70 is sleek and modern. The signature G-matrix pattern is seen in the modern crest grille, which fits seamlessly into the design. And check out those 20-inch exclusive wheels. The minimalist horizontal rear bumper gives the car a clean, refined look. It's easy to see why this car earns heads. The interior of the Electrified GV70 is just as impressive as the exterior. The driver-focused design is inspired by the concept of the beauty of white space, which creates a spacious and comfortable ride. The car's interior materials are designed to promote peace and tranquility. For example, Mood Lighting's interior materials are inspired by the serene, ink and wash-painted mountains. These materials create a calming and comfortable atmosphere inside the car. The second row space has been expanded by the lowered center tunnel, providing even more comfort for passengers. Charging your Electrified GV70 is easy and convenient. With multiple charging stations and methods available, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. The V2L feature lets you use electronic devices no matter where you are, and the regenerative braking control paddle shift improves fuel efficiency. The GV70 is designed to keep you safe and comfortable on the road. The advanced driving assistance helps you avoid accidents by analyzing the driving environment and detecting potential risks in advance. It keeps you safe by providing warnings and assistance with the accelerator, brake pedal, and steering wheel. It also assists with acceleration, braking, and steering, making driving stress-free and enjoyable. The Electrified GV70 is packed with innovative technologies to enhance your driving experience. The state-of-the-art infotainment system and new connected car technology provide the ultimate user experience. The fingerprint authentication system paired with Genesis CarPay ensures your security, while the advanced rear seat passenger alert ensures everyone is safe. The independently controlled full auto air conditioner helps prevent unnecessary power consumption when you're the only one in the car. Finally, driving the Electrified GV70 is an experience like no other. The high-capacity battery provides an impressive driving range, while the road-active noise control technology ensures a quiet ride. And for those times when you need a little extra power, the boost mode will give you a thrilling ride. The Electrified GV70 is the ultimate luxury electric SUV. With its dynamic appearance, spacious interior, advanced technologies, and powerful performance, it's the perfect car for drivers who want to experience the best of both worlds. If you are enjoying this video and if you want to see more videos like this, please support us by just liking this video and our channel. Thank you. We will soon return with another video featuring a new car where we give you a short and brief introduction.